Hello Sir Iki, welcome back to a new video on the EpicElias 4740 channel. Today we will be explaining about fossil fuels. Crazy, right? I know. So let's get to explaining. But before we do that, we want to take things differently. Very differently.
Right, so now let us start with the basics. Fossil fuels are non-renewable energy, which means once we use them, they can't be replenished. Examples include like coal, oil, and natural gas, which have been formed millions of years ago due to dead vegetation and also tiny creatures.
Yes, Sir Iki, you heard that. Fossil fuels is essential for our life. We can use them for heating, energy production, and vehicle powering. Just like these things over here.
Now, let us talk about the advantages of fossil fuels.
Firstly, the advantages of fossil fuel is that it is abundant and can be found everywhere around the globe, just like this. Remember how we mentioned coal? Exactly. That's crazy. Coal, and coal everywhere. Can you believe that? Fossil fuels? I can't. Like, I love coal. I love fossil fuels. Like, oh my god. Wow. I love it. Yeah, I love fossil. I love.
Secondly, fossil fuels are reliable because they provide a consistent power supply.
Thirdly, fossil fuels benefits from established infrastructures where there are systems for extraction and distribution.
Lastly, they are affordable. Historically, fossil fuels have been cheaper than alternatives, making them very accessible to many consumers and industries.
So, how does fossil fuels generate energy? Well, there is a multi-step process that we are going to explain today in this video.
First, fossil fuels are burned in power plants to generate the power. This combustion produces the heat, which is used to boil water and create the steam.
These turbines are connected to generators, and as the turbine spins, it turns mechanical energy into electricity.
This generated electricity is then distributed to power lines, providing power to homes, businesses, and industries worldwide.
However, there are drawbacks for fossil fuels that negatively impact our environment.
Burning fossil fuels can release carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas. These gases can get trapped in our atmosphere and heat up the planet. This causes global warming, climate change. One example of this is the melting of polar ice caps.
Another disadvantage of fossil fuels is coal and oil that produces sulfur dioxide. This sulfur dioxide can create acid rain that damages plants, buildings, infrastructure, environment, ecosystems.
Waste management is also another issue we have. Removing sulfur dioxide from the atmosphere is a hefty cost. And international agreements have been made to push companies to reduce these emissions.
In conclusion, although fossil fuel is crucial for our day-to-day life, there are many drawbacks that will lead our planet's health and will destroy us slowly but surely. And by doing so, we are wasting valuable resources and chemicals.
Efforts are being made to mitigate these impacts through technology and international cooperation. It is essential for us to balance between energy needs and environmental protection.
And finally, Sir Iki, that is a wrap for today's video. I hope this video helps you understand more about fossil fuels, its benefits, its drawbacks. However, it is time for us to log off. See you in the next EpicElias 4740.